Yeah, I got a good cop on you right now. Hey, 10-4, we're doing that deal. Audio check. I copped that on the 450 and the 500. Yeah. Yeah, I can understand what you're saying, even though that's skipping now. Yeah, doing that deal. What you say about what I'm talking on? I'm talking on that Galaxy 2547. Did you knock the power down on it, or did the condition change on me?
Come on in.
Yeah, I could tell. Yeah, it come back up a little bit.
Where you guys at out there?
Down here in Alabama.
Roger. California waving a hand, 355.
I copied that 355 B990 down here in Alabama shooting the Watergate.
990. Sounding mighty fine out here. Come on.
Yes, sir. Trying to get it right back to you.
Alright. Have a fine one out there.
All right, who was it over there? You said call them numbers again?
355. California.
355. All right, 355. I'm going to upload this on a YouTube video. You can look for it on Big Mo CB Show. That's Big Mo CB Show. 355 in California.
Roger. Big Mo's CB Show. We got it. Have a good one out there.
Good copy, good copy. Bye, 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 bye. Let me see if he's still in there. 355, you still in there?
Yeah, I was on the other end of the shop. Yeah, come on back.
Yeah, one of my buddies that was checking the radio out, he was trying to holler at you. I'm going to step to the side and let him holler for you.
I got a little static there. I got you, but I didn't catch your numbers. But I did hear you. Come on. I heard a 7 in there, but yeah, you're right at my static level, 10-4. Getting rough and tough on my end. You guys have a fine day out there. 355, we're gone. I did get it that time though. Bird dog, have a fine one.
All right, 355, appreciate you coming back. And yes, that was Bird Dog. 355-990 is clear and gone.